Hello there, welcome back to Top Ride Reviews. It's a pleasure to have you with us as we examine a crucial subject in our modern digital world. In this age of evolving technology, we're experiencing a surge in online transactions, especially on platforms like Facebook Marketplace. This online market is a versatile platform, selling everything from cars to collectibles. It's a haven for bargain seekers and collectors, a place filled with potential deals and rare finds. But with its growing popularity, Facebook Marketplace is increasingly becoming a hotspot for scams. This is not a trivial issue, but a significant threat to the safety of online consumers. Recent studies show a concerning 75% increase in scam victims on this platform. These aren't just simple scams, but intricate plots that can trick even the most vigilant users. A maze of phony listings, counterfeit goods, and bogus sellers, Facebook Marketplace can be a challenging platform to navigate safely. However, we are here to assist you. In today's episode, we aim to equip you with essential knowledge to spot and avoid scams. We have collated a list of useful strategies, tips, and tricks to make your Facebook Marketplace experience both safe and enjoyable. So, it's time to understand how to shield ourselves. First and foremost, it's crucial to identify the red flags. This process involves actively scrutinizing several key elements. One of the primary elements to pay attention to are deals that seem exceedingly advantageous. If a bargain appears ridiculously extraordinary, chances are high that it may not be genuine. Scammers are known to frequently bait innocent victims with prices that are strikingly low, especially on items that are of high value or luxury. Another telltale sign to be wary of is limited communication. Be very cautious when interacting with sellers who actively avoid phone calls or evade physically meeting up. Genuine sellers who are earnest about their businesses should always be amenable to open, transparent communication. They should have no issues in clarifying doubts or answering questions related to the products they're selling. Moreover, be extremely alert and suspicious if the items appear to be generic or borrowed from stock images. This could potentially indicate that the seller does not have the actual item in their possession. Additionally, scrutinize the descriptions provided. If they lack specifics or seem unreasonably vague, it's a clear indication of a scam. Lastly, be aware of pressure tactics. Unscrupulous individuals often attempt to rush your decision-making process. They'll claim that immediate action is required to seize the deal, creating an artificial sense of urgency. Their goal is to pressure you into making hasty decisions without fully understanding the implications. But remember, don't give in. Recognizing the warning signs is just the beginning of your journey towards secure online transactions. It's vital to not only be aware of these signs, but also take crucial measures to ensure your transactions are secure and protected from possible fraudulent activities. One such measure is opting for verified sellers. When using platforms like Facebook Marketplace, it's highly recommended to choose sellers with a verified profile. A verified profile is a badge of assurance, a demonstration of a seller's reliability and authenticity. It's an extra layer of confirmation that minimizes the risk of falling prey to internet scams and ensures you tread on safer grounds. Another important step is the emphasis on meeting in person, if circumstances permit. It's always recommended meet the seller in a public place to carry out the transaction, to ensure the safety of both parties. Direct, face-to-face transactions in well-populated public areas reduce the risk of fraudulent transactions and provide a layer of security against potential scams. It's a much safer avenue than blindly transferring money digitally without any tangible confirmation of the product or service. Additionally, using secure payment methods is crucial. It's recommended to resist the temptation of paying via wire transfer or unconventional methods, which might seem convenient but have a high risk of fraud. Stick with platforms offering buyer protection, like PayPal or Facebook Pay. These platforms have secure transaction methods that protect your investment and ensure the transaction process is transparent and reliable. Lastly, don't rush the process. Take a moment to scrutinize the seller's profile thoroughly. Look at their selling history, the ratings they've received, and other available information. This can provide valuable insights into the seller's credibility and help you make an informed decision. Remember, knowing the warning signs is just the beginning. It's equally important to ensure secure transactions, and following these steps will significantly improve the security of your online transactions. Another crucial piece of advice for staying safe on Facebook Marketplace is to trust your instincts. When navigating this popular online trading platform, it's essential to be aware and vigilant. The vast majority of users are legitimate, But like any global marketplace, there can be those who seek to misuse it. If you come across a deal that appears too good to be true, it often is. Always analyze the seller's profile, their ratings and reviews. Evaluating these aspects can give you a sense of their credibility. Check for any red flags or inconsistencies. Also remember, it's okay to seek more information or ask questions. If at any point a transaction or a seller seems dubious or questionable, do not hesitate. It is always your right, and it's perfectly fine to back out. Trusting your intuition can be a powerful shield against scams. Finally, let's tackle the steps to take if you suspect a fraudulent listing or seller. First, report. Employ the report function found on Facebook. This should be your immediate action to any suspicious activity. Reporting helps maintain the marketplace's integrity, ensuring a safe shopping experience for everyone. Then, create community awareness. By sharing your experiences, you're actively contributing to the overall safety. Alerting your circle helps to create a network of attentive users. The more people are alert to potential scams, the safer the marketplace becomes. So, there you have it. Here's your guide to avoid Facebook Marketplace scams. Online shopping safety should be paramount. Don't rush into transactions, stay vigilant and trust your gut. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up. Share with your friends who love online shopping. Subscribe to Top Ride Reviews for more such content. Thanks for your time. Until next time, stay safe and happy shopping.